Hi, team. Sorry I couldn't be there in person. I'm actually on my way to my sister's wedding in Connecticut. And I just wanted to share a few words of gratitude and then some words of encouragement for the year that comes. So let's start with gratitude. Thank you, Trisha, Jose, Ariana, Maria, for being such an amazing department team. You all bring such unique skills, interests, ideas to the table every time we meet. You each have an amazing personality, and as teachers, you all work very, 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 very hard to keep class engaging, interesting, accessible, and fun. So thank you for being the best department that I've worked with so far. And to individual teachers, I think of Patrick as the house leader. Thank you for always being patient. Thank you for being such a good listener. Thank you for hearing me out in individual chats about different topics and different ways to support our students and support our teachers. You being a listener has gone a long way in helping me feel heard and seen. And I'll never forget that, Pat. Bergman, thank you for inspiring our kids, and thank you for just really opening up your home and bringing a sense of community that every school needs to CVHS. I know you're moving on from us as a campus, but I see you and I appreciate you. Thank you to the whole school community. Let's continue to do this thing and let's continue to be great for our kids.